a reverb like this one here, like with the weight should not be that much. You add a decay as like we go again. No, let me see. Like there. I know, try to see whether we can cut there. Like I'm getting the vibe right now. Like if we can take it like this. It's a unique type of shit. I mean, look at it. It's a unique. It's very unique. So like if I off it, if I off this, if I off the plugins from here, off the plugins from here. If I off the plugins, yeah, then and it's very slight. You realize it's very low. Then now if I on it here, a very big difference, right? So I can reduce now the reverb and just give it a give it a space, like give it a space, like a space for it to breathe. Like as we are getting that notch up, that is the space. Because if it's just stagnant in a place, sometimes you need to hear echoes from other sounds to complement others to make a sound. Yes. So if I can even try to boost this, boosting and taking down all these ones, I think it's good like this. Yeah, I think one can do. So now that up like that up